reservoir from NBEXW. I would like to introduce our R&D department today. R&D department is a core division of our company, responsible for product design, mold design, and automated equipment development, has secured 56 product patents. IT quote as our innovation powerhouse. Join me for a closer look at this formidable team. Our new product designs originate from both independent research and collaborative projects with our clients. Currently, we have developed many unique products. Our mold designs undergo evaluations through stages DR1 to DR4. For the mold, the design software we used is UG. We also use flow analysis software for plastic molding simulation, optimizing and setting processes.
In the development of automation equipment, our R&D department has also achieved a lot of excellent results. This large screen provides a clear picture of our new product development and the progress of automation equipment development.
Our highly skilled R&D team, rich in expertise and innovative spirit, lays a solid and dynamic foundation for our company's growth. Ningbo EXW always embraces the spirit of professional innovation, aiming to create even better products for our clients. We eagerly showcase our commitment to excellence and innovation with our advanced facilities and dedicated team. Bye-bye.